Untitled project: massive institutional cash is flooding into crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are responding. But is this rally sustainable? Today, we unpack the inflows, the charts, and what to watch next. This past week, $5.95 billion poured into crypto ETFs globally, a record. Bitcoin alone attracted $3.55 billion. Ethereum drew $1.48 billion, while Solana pulled in around $706.5 million. In the US, daily inflows for spot Bitcoin ETFs reached $1.19 billion, the second highest since launch. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF led with about $967 million. This isn't just retail hype, it's serious institutional demand. Why is this happening? Inflation fears, a weakening dollar, and political uncertainty are driving investors into hard assets. But remember, inflows don't always guarantee price jumps. Let's check the charts to see if the trend can hold. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. It recently broke past highs of $125,000 to $126,000, setting a fresh all-time high. Those previous high zones are now critical support levels. Looking at indicators, if the RSI is above 70, Bitcoin may be overbought and due for a pullback. The MACD shows strength if the histogram is widening positively. Strong volume is essential for breakouts. Picture two scenarios. If Bitcoin holds above $125,000 and retests, we might see a push to $135,000. But if it fails to hold, it could slip back to $120,000 or $115,000. My trade idea? If it retests $125,000 with support, consider entering long. If it fails, wait for a bounce near $120,000. Next, let's discuss Ethereum. It's lagging behind Bitcoin but still saw great inflows of $1.48 billion. Watch resistance around $4,800. Breaking this could lead to a new upward leg. Support zones are around $4,500 and $4,200. My strategy? If ETH closes above $4,800 with volume, I'll consider a long position. If rejected, I'll look for support bounces. Now, onto Solana. It also saw strong ETF inflows of about $706 million. It's showing strength in recent movements. The resistance zone is around $230 to $240, while support is at $200 or $180. Watch for volume on breakthroughs. If it breaks resistance, I'm targeting $260 and above. So, what should we watch for next? Track ETF inflows and daily numbers, as big days often precede major moves. Remember that breakouts without good volume are weak. If price rises but RSI or MACD lag behind, that's a warning signal. Also, if Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana loses key support, adopt a cautious approach. Keep an eye on macro and news events, inflation data, central bank signals, and regulatory updates matter. Lastly, focus on position sizing and stop-loss measures. Don't over-leverage just because momentum seems hot. Given this setup, I lean bullish as long as Bitcoin holds above the $125,000 zone. If Ethereum breaks $4,800 with volume, I'll join that move. For Solana, if it breaks above resistance with momentum, I'm targeting $260. But if any of them fail support retests, I'll wait for safer entry points. Remember, this is for educational purposes, it's not financial advice. If you liked this deep market update, Hit subscribe and ring the bell. Don't miss out on daily technicals, trade ideas, and on-chain signals. Show logo, fade out.